I have a question for you guys. If you were to actually sit down and run a personal audit, not your finances and your goals and stuff like that, but actually the small habits that you have with yourself, would you actually feel good about the life that you're living right now? Or would you realize that you're kind of just floating, reacting, and low-key surviving? Because same, I've been on a 2-month hiatus. Well, at least on this account, and not even intentionally. I didn't want to keep showing up and sharing when I hadn't even taken into inventory on myself yet. And in that space, I started noticing how much I actually been consuming, not just content, but just information. And it really started to get me. So then I pulled back and I literally started to ask myself, what can I control? The answer that was so clear before is me, my nervous system, my water intake, my vitamin D deficiency, my morning tea. Like those are things I can control. That doesn't seem like a lot, and that doesn't seem like super life-changing, but it really helped me get to a space where I am not like consistently overthinking about every move that I make. In that even bigger breath, my relationship with God, like how I spend time with understanding our relationship and the intimacy, and I'm developing a relationship where I feel more reassured of not just him, but also how he's able to provide for me. Whether or not you can truly get to a point where you live your life for yourself and you're having fun and you're just living your authentic self, that is the point, or that is where I'm trying to grow in the journey that I'm trying to put myself on. Ambition without action leads to anxiety. And I swear that's literally the life I've been living up until this point, because if you're always thinking about being perfect all the time, you're ultimately going to fail. But if you keep failing and get to that point where it's like, then you're winning. It's literally about moving as if it's already happened, like moving as if I have already gained the dream life that I have always prayed for. And now leading into today, I'm really trying to be so intentional with not only my time, but the amount that I consume, and hopefully getting into a place where I can truly become my most authentic self. Okay, bye.